Hey guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today we are going to be doing a science experiment and we're going to be learning more about solids and liquids, how they act when they're put together. Remember yesterday we learned about this very important word. The word was dissolve. We watched sugar dissolve into water. What does that mean? What does the word dissolve mean? Well, remember, when we first put the sugar in the water, the sugar was in big clumps. You could see all of it at the bottom. But then, as the sugar started to dissolve and be evenly distributed throughout the cup, we could no longer see the sugar in the water. It had mixed evenly with the rest of the liquid. Okay, so let's take a closer look at our materials, our solids that we are going to be looking at today. We will be using salt. And remember, when we pour salt out of this big container, it looks like that. Another solid we'll be using is rocks. We're going to see what will happen when we put the solid rocks into the liquid water. Another solid that we will be using in our experiment to see how it interacts with water, a liquid, are paper clips. Here is one of the paper clips that we will be using. We will also be using baking soda in this experiment. Baking soda is a solid, and remember, it looks like this when you pour it out. Kind of similar to salt, but if we go closer, it's not nearly as grainy as salt. It's more fine. It's like a powder. Another solid that we will be using in this experiment is coins. We've got a nickel, a penny, a quarter, and a dime. We're going to see how coins interact with the liquid water. Another solid that we're going to be using is hot chocolate powder. Remember, this is what hot chocolate looks like, but it comes in this packet. Remember, when we open hot chocolate and pour it out, it looks like this.
Those are all the materials we will be using in this experiment. We are only testing half of them today. Tomorrow we will test the other half.